In this video, I show you how to fix service not available problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, scroll down notification bar, then click on airplane mode, turn on airplane mode, then turn off, then go to settings and click on search settings, search for reset settings, click on reset option again, then click on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth, click on it, reset settings, enter your pin code, lock or password, and click on again reset settings. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix service not available problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.